thanks for joining me for this review of the Minecraft Creeper Lego set. So we bought this for my son for Christmas. He's really into Lego and really into Minecraft, and he put this on his Christmas list, which is really helpful. I do like it when they actually tell you what they want, which is nice. So this is age 10 plus. My son is actually 13, so we had no problem with this. But I think down to around 10 would be about right, just for the sheer quantity of pieces in this. So, as usual, they come with the instructions. This is like a glossy one, this is. And then there's the easy step-by-step instructions inside, and it shows you exactly what bricks you need for each step. See, when I do actually build Lego as well, see, I really appreciate it when they tell you exactly which ones there are. So I tend to find them first before I try and build it. My son just goes for it, and he can build Lego so ridiculously fast. He's like a master now, but his room is like pretty much half Lego at the moment. So this is the actual finished product that my son has finished building. I'm going to be trying to be really careful with it because I don't want to break it because it's not mine. But there is some weight to it. It has got obviously a lot of bricks. How many does it say? 665 pieces in it. But as you can see, it's really effective from the different colour greens that there is in there, and then there's black and grey as well. So on the creeper, his head moves up and down, which is nice. And his 4 feet move as well, independently. So you can see the inside parts there where it tilts. It's like the ball. And then that's the back. So yeah, he had great fun building this, and it's now in pride of place on his desk for him to enjoy and show all his friends. So I'm just adding this bit in because when I told my son that I'd done a review on it, he pointed out a bit I had missed. So there is a little hidden compartment in this once you built it. So the front of the creeper's head comes off to reveal a little bit inside that you can store these little extra characters. So there is, I don't break these, so you can see inside there's like a little chamber. And then there's a little pig and a little TNT block, which are really cute. So they're obviously extras that you build along the way, and then you can hide them in the creeper's head if you want to. And then that just fits back on really easily without pulling it all apart, which is cool. So if you enjoy Lego and enjoy Minecraft, then I would highly recommend this. It is a fun to build, especially because it's all different colours, so it's not too hard being all the one green. And it does look really effective when it's finished. So yeah, if you buy this as well, I hope you enjoy it and you have fun building it as much as my son has. Thanks very much for watching.